If you own any kind of car dealership, this message is for you. And I bring this message to you with the best of intentions. You guys have some of the worst kept parking lots I have ever seen. Not all of you, but the majority of you. And here's the problem with that. When your client pulls into your parking lot, now they're having to dodge potholes, they're immediately on the defense. Now they're in a bad state of mind, and let's be honest, nobody really wants to spend money in the first place. Your chance of selling that person a car significantly declines. Now picture this scenario. Your client pulls in, the parking lot is freshly sealed, the lines are crisp, they're feeling good. Your sales guy's walking around with a pep in his step because everything looks perfect. Smooth ride in. That person is way more likely to now purchase a vehicle. It's basic human psychology. So come on, guys. Let's get those parking lots sealed and let's sell some damn cars.